Welcome to Indoor Mini Golf. We're just going to have a look now through the course. This was Ireland's very first indoor mini golf course. It opened in 2007, October 2007, and we've been in business ever since. Now, we're going to go through the first green. Have a quick look around. You can see some of the closing holes, 17th and 18th. Target shot. Now moving on to the second green. Key on this one is to get the right pace putt, just to not fall down the back of the green, so you're not left with a tricky putt back. On to the third, probably the trickiest hole in terms of getting a hole in one. It has to be nearly perfect on pace and precision, so you have to hit the exact spot in order for it to turn and straighten up into the hole. Quite tricky. Easy to get a 3 or 4 on that one. On to the fourth. Again, this is about accuracy and hitting the putt nice and hard, so you get the ball just about there under the tunnel and in for a 3. No more than a 3 on this one if you can. Now on to the fifth. This one, again, you're looking to hit it about the middle, nice easy pace, roll it up and knock it in for a 2. And the sixth. The sixth also can be a tricky one. You want to be no more than 2 at the top of the hill, so you're left with at least 1 and take a 3 at worst. There's our waterfall. Up on to the 7th. So again, you don't want to be going left on this one because you could go into the stream quite easily. So you just want to, again, a moderate pace, just roll it nice and gently up, and again, take no more than a 2. Now moving on to the 8th, Amen corner. So one of the easier holes on the course, easy chance to take a 1. Definitely no more than a 2 on this one. There's the old Wilson's staff bag. Now number 9. So again, a nice pacey tee off shot. You want to be kind of at a straight angle, hitting it along here and leaving it to here. Again, you don't want to go down the back because you could be left with a tricky couple of putts back up. On to number 10. So again, the same as number 6, you want to be up and in the hole for 2, no more than 2. And if you're lucky, you'll knock it into when it comes out from under the top green. Now over the bridge, the fountain, the stream meanders through. And then on to 11. 11 can be a little bit tricky. If you don't hit it, it kind of has to be at the right spot in order for it to go through a narrow fairway into the big green. So you could easily be 2 or 3 here, but I'm kind of wrecking your card at 4 or 5 on this one. Now the long 12th. This actually is a tall green. It has a stimp reading of 9.5, believe it or not. So it's nice and wide, and again, you should definitely be taking 2, and it's a good birdie opportunity. So definitely one where you could get a hole in one on. Now we turn for 13. 13. It's a little dip in the green, but you should again be looking to try and, if you can, get a 1 no more than a 2 on this one. Moving on to 14. So 14, you have to go left, and really you have to hit it at the middle section of the back left. So it has to be on the middle section to get your rebound and into close as possible to the hole. It might go in when it goes through and down below, but probably best to leave the flag in because it comes out with pace, so the flag might just stop it for you. Now on to 15, and we can have a look back through the course here. 15, you need to be teeing off to the left hand side, and it needs to be probably about an inch from the rail on the left hand side, and it kind of curves to the right. So a precise shot, you can get a hole in one on this green, but again, you don't want to be taking more than 2 on this one. Turn for 17 or 16. A nice straightforward putt, and this green is slightly at an angle, so it does curve, so it is deceptive. So basically it looks like a straight shot, but it does break, believe it or not, so you just need to be slightly to the left of this to break in. Now turn for 17, and again it's a tall green, so you're looking to just hit the top of that little hill so it rolls just at the right pace and into the cup. So definitely no more than a 2 on this one. And turning for 18. So one shot, you're looking to get it straight into the bullseye. If you miss, it's a 2. And that is it. So